About this item: complete signal solution. Throw away the shackles IR signal restriction, move around freely and still remotely control your clean, sleek, and concealed A/V or IR enabled equipment, up to 656 feet, 200 m. Wireless RF signal between transmitter and receiver, no direct line of sight needed. Universal compatibility, dual band IR receiver recognizes frequency ranges from 20 to 60 kHz, compatible with most IR equipped remote devices such as cable boxes, smart TV/TVs, satellite receivers, audio/hi-fi stereo systems, home theaters, even your front gate. Instant reliable transmission, highly sensitive ultra-wide receiving angle ensures instant real-time signal transmission without delay. Quick and easy plug and play, powered by 5V/DC power adapter. The ultra-compact devices are robust and versatile for easy placement. Operating distance may vary depending on surrounding obstructions. Exclusive clean look. Unlike other old and bulky wireless transmitters that can be an eyesore next to your HD TV, our minimalist clean premium look is a great functional, subtle addition to your home theater, outdoor speaker, gaming station, smart home, bedroom, and more. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: complete signal solution. Throw away the shackles IR signal restriction, move around freely and still remotely control your clean, sleek,